The industries Senzit serves are anything from construction, mining, oil and gas, earthworks, aggregate, government, municipal, anything that requires a heavy-duty diesel engine to move product or person from point A to point B. All of the problems in the industry revolve around downtime. When you can take downtime out of the equation or minimize it to a noticeable point, you're doing every one of your partners in the industry a huge favor. And the Senzit hardware is remarkably simple, actually. It can be installed in under 30 minutes. You provide it a power, 12-24 volts from the equipment itself, connected to the engine filter, and from there it connects to our cloud and provides that data to the user. Logged onto the application, our partners and fleet managers in the field can monitor just a solo asset or their entire fleet across multiple job sites, across multiple states and countries. Here at Senzit, we don't only just monitor the engine filter itself, but we monitor engine hours, which is the industry standard for maintenance intervals, mileage reporting, historical and active GPS location, maintenance logging for warranty-inducing events, and so much more.